Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we're going to check whether you can link your Payoneer account onto your Fiverr. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fiverr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Fiverr website. Now log into your account if you haven't done so already and you will be taken into your homepage. Now from your homepage, click on your account icon at the top right corner. And now you will see the billings and payment option. Go ahead and click on it and then click on payment methods and you will see the payment methods that you can add. If you click on add a payment method, you will see the credit card as well as debit card option and the PayPal option. However, there is no option to continue forward with your Payoneer account. If you wish to transact with Payoneer, you will either need to transfer those funds into your credit or debit card or your PayPal account and then link this PayPal or credit card account with your Fiverr account. Proceed forward with either one of these methods and link your Payoneer account with them as well. And through this elongated process, you will be able to transact with your Payoneer cash on Fiverr as well. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about Payoneer linking onto your Fiverr account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.